Hi, I'm Lynn Koolish. I'm a fiber artist, teacher, and author. I've been teaching quilt making and fiber arts classes for over 20 years, and I love sharing what I know through my workshops and lectures. I teach process and technique classes, and my teaching philosophy is to encourage students to use the class information in their own ways and to explore their own ideas, so everyone in class ends up with a unique result no matter what they are learning. I teach both live and online classes for groups and guilds, and I also have online classes for individuals through Creative Spark Online Learning. In all of my classes, I allow ample time for students to work on their own and put the class techniques into practice. For virtual classes, I stay online during class, so I'm available to answer questions as they come up, just like I would in a live classroom. For the online classes, I have videotaped all of the hands-on demonstrations so that everyone gets an up-close look at the processes being shown, and students have the ability to go back and watch the videos again if they like. I teach more classes than fit into a 3-minute presentation, so I'm going to show some highlights and encourage you to find out about all of my classes and lectures from my website, lynnkoolish.com. I love teaching fabric dyeing and have been very successful in teaching dyeing classes both in person and online. My fabric dyeing classes are designed for all levels of experience. Beginners learn the basics, and experienced dyers always learn something new. Classes include all about fabric dyeing and color mixing, shibori dyeing, and using resists. With all of these classes, students work with fiber reactive dyes and end up with a stack of unique hand-dyed fabrics that they can use in their quilt making, garment making, and other fiber work. The next group of classes are about working improvisationally using freeform cutting and piecing. In all of these classes, there's a strong focus on using basic design principles to make sure that finished quilts look cohesive. There are several different quilt styles you can choose from, and all of them result in quilts as unique as each maker. I also offer classes I call Paint and Stitch, where students paint fabric in the morning and in the afternoon use it to start a quilt top. These classes cover basic painting techniques as well as focusing on color and design. I share several example quilts, but students can use the painted fabrics as they choose. I also offer lectures that can be presented live or on Zoom. I create new classes on an ongoing basis, and I'm happy to talk with you about customizing classes for your specific needs. All of the information you need is on my website, lynnkoolish.com.